I'm going to be showing you all how I detangle my hair on my wash day routine using one ingredient. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So the one ingredient we'll be using is flaxseed gel. Okay, I'll be using flaxseed gel for my hair. I hope you enjoy this particular video with me. So this is the flaxseed I'm using. Okay, so inside a pot I have my measurement of water, which is half cup of water. Then I will be adding 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Okay, you can do according to your hair. So I'm doing a smaller batch because I'm not doing much. So you cook for 10 to 15 minutes. When you see that the gel has come out, you can now extract it by using a sieve or a whisker, but I advise you use a sieve because it's always hot. Always extract your gel when it's hot. Don't extract it when it's cold because it's not going to come out much. It's going to be more messy. But when you extract it when it's hot, you can be able to separate the chaff from the gel. So this is the gel I'll be using. So I'm going to be adding pure almond oil. You can add any oil of your choosing, so I decided to use almond oil for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. If you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share, but if you comment, I will be explaining the benefits of flaxseed gel, why I apply it on my hair. So here is my hair. I've taken down my braid, so I want to detangle my hair before I wash it. Yeah, so this is a pre-pull stroke detangler. All right, so this is what I'll be doing, and I'll be taking you guys along. My hair right now is in a very healthy state. Okay, so this is my hair. Yeah, I'm just loving the feeling of my hair. So I'm going to be taking the flaxseed gel and be rubbing it on one side of my hair, and the other side I use another gel ingredient. Yeah, so I'll be making a separate video comparing the 2 gel I use on this wash day routine. Yeah, so I use 2 different gels on my hair, so I'll be making a separate video comparing them. All right, there are 2 of them, have 2 different benefits for hair. Okay, so this is the flaxseed gel. One thing about flaxseed gel is that when it gets cold, it gets more thicker. All right, so it gets more thicker, and when you're applying this on your hair, you have to apply it in a smaller section, like you have to do it section by section. So I'm just going to be applying it first on this section right here. So, and it's also messy because most of the gel kept falling down. I have to pick it up. It kept falling down. Like, this was the highest of the messiest flaxseed gel application I have done. Yeah, but it got the job done. All right, so when applying this on your hair, okay, you have to keep on rubbing it more. As you can see, I kept on rubbing it so that I know that the flaxseed gel has penetrated in my hair strand. All right, so I'm going into the next section. So here is the benefit of flaxseed gel for hair. Okay, it increases elasticity of your hair fiber. Okay, it prevents split ends. I have noticed that thing about flaxseed gel when it comes to split end. I used flaxseed gel previously as a 2 months challenge as a leave-in. All right, anytime I was restyling or rehydrating my hair, I always use that flaxseed gel at the ends of my hair, and then as I loosed my hair, I noticed that the ends of my hair don't have these small tangles on it. The ends of my hair was really smooth. So that's that. All right, then it also stops premature gray hair. I don't have gray hair now, so I can't really say okay in 100% that it actually stops it. Yeah, so for now my hair is still black, so I don't have gray hair. Anyway, moving to the next one, it says it strengthens your hair from the roots. Yes, it strengthens the hair from the root. That one I can testify about that. It reduces hair thinning. Yes, I can testify that one about that, because my hair before was the ends of my hair before was thin, but now the ends of my hair is much fuller. All right, and you say it keeps dandruff and itchy scalps at bay. So if you have dandruff or itchy scalp, it keeps it at bay. Yeah, love. So this is me applying everything on my hair. What again I noticed about flaxseed gel is that when you apply it on your hair, it gives you a coily definition. It tends to coil your hair strand. Okay, so as you can see from this place, like the ends of my hair, see, so there is no knots. I don't have any knot on the ends of my hair. Yeah, so using flaxseed gel on a regular basis is really awesome. Okay, so this is just the hair shade I have for now. At the ending, I'll also show you guys the hair shade I have at the ending of the video. Yeah, love. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you going to be trying flaxseed gel? Do you try it on a regular basis? I used it in my previous 2 months, and the results when I loosed my hair was fabulous. So I will still be using flaxseed gel, but on a new 2 months journey we are embarking on, I want to try another gel, okay, on my hair. So this is the back of my hair. I just applied the flaxseed gel, and this is the back, how it's giving a very, very coily definition. Yeah, so this is what it's giving at the back of my hair. And after this, I'm going to allow this to sit for 45 minutes on my hair before I wash it out with my shampoo and go in with my deep condition. So I'm all done. This is what my hair looks like. I'm all done, guys, like all done. Cover this with a plastic bag and allow this to sit for 45 minutes so that it can do its job on your hair. Then you will see an amazing result. So I'm going to be losing the parts where I did the flaxseed gel. Sorry guys, my throat. I'm going to be losing it to show you guys how full it made my hair look. So my hair looked quite fuller, okay, in this application of flaxseed gel. It really is good for, and also it's good for wash and go. Like if you just want to get this nice coils, you've already washed your hair, you can apply this as a leave-in condition, and it will dry and give you a beautiful coils. So if you're a kinky, fussy hair, you're looking for a natural gel, try flaxseed gel. You will get awesome results. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So leave this on your hair for 45 minutes, then you rinse out and your coils will be popping. Like it defines your coils, it grows your hair. So loves, I'll see you all in my next video, which will be coming up on a Thursday. Yeah, so I upload 3 videos every week. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.